Right then, we have jumped back on Mumbo Jumbo. There's a bit less rain this time. We'll get you a POV of this wild mouse that inverts. And we've got a dispatcher heading out of the station into the rain. Just cover the camera a little bit while we're going up the lift hill. Save you some of the rain. It's a pretty whippy lift hill though. Sorry if it's a bit smeary. It's a lot less rain than last time. Here we go. Woo! Caravan park. And beyond vertical, a lovely outer bank turn. And an even more fun outer bank turn. I love this ride. This is my favourite wild mouse. And you get to go upside down. It's got hang time, it's got everything. I really like this ride.